Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail. We'll be looking at the lighting Keis style 24-inch LED table lamp. In this video, we're going to be showing some closer detail along with how it looks with the light on. Here are some features that you may want to consider. You can add this lamp to your living room, your home office, study, or your nightstand in your bedroom. It includes a clean line drum shade that's made with white linen. It includes this LED light bulb that you will be seeing the color of the light later in this video. This also uses the traditional on and off rotary switch. Here, I'm going to show you multiple views. You can easily access the on and off rotary switch from either the top of the shade or underneath the shade. Now, this is what it looks like with the light on during the day. Now let's have a closer view of the base detail, which is a lighting Keis style Gourd profile, which is powder coated plastic and the color is grayish brown. When I look at it during the day, the Gourd color actually looks gold with light gray scooped out spots, and at a distance, it looks taupe, which is a gray brown color. The long power cord is 60 inches in length. The lamp's overall dimensions are 2 feet tall and 15 inches wide. Here's a quick look on how to disassemble the lamp shade, which can make it easier for cleaning. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.